Give the same AI model the same question twice. In one run, it receives 3 precise facts. In the other, it receives 30 pages of loosely related material. The answers can diverge. That difference reveals a deeper skill. Context is not a warehouse where every possible fact should be stored. It is the model's temporary working view of a task. Prompt engineering asks how to write an instruction. Context engineering asks a larger question. What should the model see in what form at this exact moment? Imagine a space observatory with a narrow navigation lens. An entire universe of information surrounds it, but only a carefully focused set of signals can guide the next move. Every token inside that lens must earn its place. Useful instructions increase control. Relevant evidence reduces uncertainty. Repetition, stale history, and distracting tools consume attention without helping. For an agent, this is a living process. Each action creates new observations, tool results, errors, and decisions. The context must be rebuilt as the world changes. Keep 5 operations in mind: select, structure, refresh, compress, and evaluate. Together, they turn a pile of information into a usable working set. Selection begins with the task. A clear objective, success criteria, and current state act like a beacon, pulling relevant information closer and pushing unrelated material away. But relevance is not enough. The system must also track authority and trust. A system rule, a verified database record, and a sentence inside an uploaded document are not equivalent. Candidate context may come from live state, conversation history, long-term memory, retrieved documents, tool definitions, or recent tool output. Each source carries different strengths and risks. Search does not deliver truth. It delivers candidates. A passage can look similar to the question yet be outdated, incomplete, duplicated, or missing the exception that changes the answer. Different search methods catch different signals. Exact matching can find an error code or name. Semantic search can find the same idea expressed with different words. A re-ranker can then compare the candidates against the actual task and move the strongest evidence forward. Retrieval finds possibilities. Re-ranking decides which ones deserve scarce context. Good evidence also needs provenance: where it came from, when it was created, what it refers to, and whether the current user is allowed to access it. Examples are another form of context. A few diverse canonical demonstrations can shape behavior better than a huge list of edge cases that compete and contradict one another. Tool definitions should be just as disciplined. Clear names, distinct purposes, and compact outputs help the model choose correctly. A crowded toolset creates ambiguity before any tool runs. Long-term memory usually lives outside the active window. The engineering challenge is deciding what to store, what to retrieve, and when an old memory should no longer influence the task. Now the toolkit. Start by treating the context window as a viewport, not a storage target. A larger window expands the ceiling, but it does not make every included token equally useful. Structure the working set into clear roles: the goal, governing instructions, current state, and supporting evidence. Separation helps the model distinguish what to obey from what to inspect. Next, track freshness. A shipping status from 10 seconds ago may matter more than a polished report from last week. Context should change as the underlying world changes. When history grows, compaction can replace raw traces with a smaller summary. Preserve decisions, unresolved questions, constraints, and evidence. Remove repetition and disposable intermediate output. Structured state can be even stronger than prose. A compact record of goals, completed steps, blockers, and next actions is easier to update than repeatedly summarizing an entire conversation. Clear tool output after its useful information has been extracted. The agent may need the verified result, not 500 lines of logs that already served their purpose. Memory writes need a gate too. Store durable preferences and important project state. Attach provenance and define when facts should expire or be replaced by newer information. Retrieve information just in time. Loading every manual, record, and tool description at the beginning wastes space. Bring in specialized context when the next decision actually requires it. A strong agent edits its own working set. It keeps evidence that still affects the plan, discards observations that are settled, and updates beliefs when newer facts arrive. Complex work can also be separated into focused subtasks with clean contexts. Each specialist explores deeply, then returns a condensed result instead of flooding the main agent with every intermediate step. Ordering matters. Research has found that relevant information buried in the middle of long inputs can be used less reliably than information near the beginning or end. So place the task, constraints, and decisive evidence where their relationship is obvious. Do not assume that simply fitting a fact somewhere inside the window makes it influential. Finally, evaluate the context itself. Hold the model and task constant, then change retrieval, ordering, tool exposure, or compaction. Measure success, tokens, latency, and failure patterns. Without that discipline, context rot appears. As input grows, performance can become less reliable in uneven ways even before the official context limit is reached. Stale context can quietly redirect the model. An abandoned plan, old preference, or outdated status may still sound authoritative unless the system removes or clearly supersedes it. Untrusted context creates a sharper danger. A retrieved document may contain instructions aimed at the model. Provenance and boundaries must prevent data from silently becoming authority. Contradictions need explicit resolution. If two sources disagree, the system should compare freshness, authority, and scope instead of hoping the model chooses the correct sentence. Compaction can fail in the opposite direction. Compress too aggressively and a small exception disappears. The summary looks clean, but the decision built on it becomes wrong. Memory without provenance creates false confidence. The system may recall a claim correctly while forgetting who said it, when it was true, or whether it was ever verified. A million token window does not remove these problems. Capacity is permission to include more, not evidence that including more will improve the answer. The reliable pattern is a loop. Sense the task, select evidence, structure the working set, act, observe the result, then edit the context before the next call. When the model fails, inspect the context manifest. What entered, what was trusted, what was omitted, what was stale, and what changed between the successful and failed runs. That is context engineering. The goal is not maximum context, it is the right context, kept current, arranged clearly, and tested against the behavior you actually need.